Okay, Judge.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
yes. Where can I pick them up at? I don't want to be specifically pick them up at her house because her mother is always talking some kind of nonsense, and I don't want to have no problems while I'm on probation, and I don't want her to like get me in trouble. Then I lose whatever
Okay,
I
so
have going on from.
I'm gonna tell you we can do an exchange location, but if they don't show up with the child, what you gonna do, Mr. Garcia?
Uh, I guess what can I do?
Not a lot. You can file a case against them, but I would tell you just go to the house, pick your child up. They just need to hand you the child, and you need to go on about your business. You don't even need to go in. You can stand on the front porch. They just need to give Noah to you with his bag. That's it.
All right, and
Doesn't
do
need to
I?
be a lot of conversation. Hello,
Okay,
how are you? Thank you. I'll have him back when I'm supposed to have him back. That's it.
that's fine with me.
Okay. Miss Sanchez, do you understand? We're hearing calls number DF 2407775, Garcia and Sanchez. With the parties in the Garcia and Sanchez matter, please unmute yourselves, turn your cameras on, and raise your right hands. Do each of you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Mr. Garcia,
Yes.
Miss Sanchez.
Yes.
All right, you may both lower your hands. And Miss Peoples, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. We're on an order in suit affecting the parent-child relationship. There's a disagreement as to the visitation and then child support. If I could read the proposed order and then take testimony.
You may.
Thank you, Judge. There's one child before the court, Noah Raul Garcia Sanchez. I'd offer the acknowledgement of paternity as State's Exhibit A, which was attached to the pleading on file.
State's Exhibit A is admitted.
Thank you, Judge. The order appoints both parents as joint managing conservators, with the mother having the exclusive right to determine the residence in Dallas or any contiguous county. There's a standard possession and access schedule in the court order. As far as the support, there's one child before the court, and Mr. Garcia has no other children, so his child support is set at 20%. Mother is to apply for or maintain government medical, cash medical support, Judge. It's $366 a month, beginning August 1st, 2024. And child support, Judge, is $615 a month, beginning August 1st, 2024. There's no retroactive child support, medical support, or dental support. Court costs as billed to Mr. Garcia, and that is the extent of the order, Judge.
Okay. You may call your first witness.
I'll call the mother, ma'am. Can you state your full name?
Ciclali Sanchez.
And Ms. Sanchez, did you hear all the terms of the order that were stated to the court?
Yes.
Did you understand all those terms?
Yes.
Okay. With the exception of a standard visitation schedule and the child support, you're in agreement with all the other terms of the order?
Yes.
And so you understand the proposed order gives Mr. Garcia standard visitation. You understand that?
Yes.
And you disagree with him having standard visitation?
Yes.
Okay. What are you requesting for visitation?
Um.
Oh, well, let me
Well,
ask you, do you not want Mr. Garcia to have any visitation with your child?
no, I don't.
Okay. So why are you not wanting him to have any visitation?
Cause I don't want nothing to do with him, or I don't want him to see Noah because he wants a DNA test.
Okay. How old is your child?
He's 8 months.
Okay. Has Mr. Garcia seen him in the past 8 months?
No.
Do you have safety concerns with Mr. Garcia having visitation with Noah?
The mother is asked directly what she wants the court to do, and her answers spiral. She doesn't want weekends. She doesn't want overnights. She doesn't want the child at the father's house at all.
I just don't want him to like take him by like on the weekends
Can you tell the court why you don't want that?
because he be selling drugs at his house and there's people coming in and out.
Okay. And you're not in agreement to any form of like a modified visitation schedule?
No,
Okay. So you're just asking the court that he does not get any visitation at all.
mm-mm, no.
And for how long are you asking that he not have visits?
Mm, I
Do
mean,
you have
he can see him, but I just don't want him to take him on the weekends.
you don't want him to have overnight visits?
No,
Are you okay with Noah coming to his house at all?
no.
Is there anything specific that you're asking the court to do as far as the visitation?
No.
Okay, and you understand that the order does propose child support of $615 a month for Mr. Garcia to pay beginning August 1st, 2024. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And you disagree with the child support of $615 a month?
Yes.
What are you requesting the child support be set to?
Oh no, that's fine.
Okay, so you agree with the child support of $615 a month.
Yes.
Do you have any safety concerns with your address being listed in today's court order?
No.
I'll pass the witness, Judge.
Miss Sanchez, you say that Mr. Garcia sells drugs out of his house. How do you know?
Because when I used to live with him, he would be selling drugs, and that's why he's
Oh,
on
okay. I
probation.
did you answered my question. And how long did you live with him?
Um, like a year.
Okay. And when did you stop living with him?
When Noah was 1 month, I left like on December.
Okay. But you knew when you conceived Noah that supposedly Mr. Garcia was selling drugs out of his house, right?
Yes.
And you still chose to have a child with him, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Anything further, Miss Peoples, of this witness?
No, Judge, if I could call the father.
You may.
Thank you. Mr. Garcia, can you state your full name?
Raul Garcia.
And sir, did you hear all the terms of the order that were stated to the court?
Yes.
Did you understand all those terms?
I was trying to see if I could maybe lower my payments or something like that.
Okay. But as far as all the terms that were stated, do you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And so with the exception of the child support amount, do you agree with all the other terms of the order?
Yes.
As far as the child support, you understand that the order proposes you pay $615 a month beginning August 1st, 2024. Do you disagree with that amount?
Yes.
What are you requesting the child support be lowered to?
Maybe like at least like 125 a week or something like that. Cause I still gotta pay what insurance
Okay, why are you requesting the 125 a week?
because I have a truck I gotta pay. I got a truck I gotta pay. I got a probation I gotta pay. I gotta pay for my cost of living. And I pay rent, I pay bills, I gotta pay for my own clothing, and I gotta put gas. Food is not cheap no more. Everything went crazy high, so it's kind of making me bump my head here and there.
And then as far as the visitation schedule, you're in agreement that Noah would come to your house and stay there.
Judge Washington Hill steps in with clarity. She adjusts medical support, recalculates child support to $647, and addresses visitation head on. No theatrics. No lectures. She orders standard visitation, but with a temporary transition plan.
Night every first, third, and fifth weekend,
Correct.
and you're not in agreement to doing a modified schedule for your visits.
No.
Okay. I'll pass the witness, Judge.
Okay, so I'll accept the agreement of the parties so far as there is an agreement. I'll make cash medical support $200 per month. Can you tell me what child support will be if I change cash medical to $200 a month, Miss Peoples?
Yes, Judge. So the child support would then go to $647.
As far as visitation, we'll do a standard visitation schedule with no overnights for the first 2 months. After that, it goes to standard.
So I don't get to see him. I don't get to have him over the week overnight on the weekends.
Not for the first 2 months, but then after that, it'll be standard. You can have him during the day at your house,
I like
unsupervised, just no overnights until you have complete Miss Peoples, until he's completed the first 5 visits.
I would like
Okay.
to say,
Yes, sir.
uh, what she's saying about me selling drugs and all that. I've been on probation for 3 years, never been dirty. My PO comes over to my house and she checks my house throughoutly, and I've never had no problems. I've been good for 3 years. No drug test. Drug test been clean
Have you
all
seen the
over.
child in the last 8 months, Mr. Garcia?
Last time I seen him was uh March 12th.
Okay. So the reason I'm giving you no overnights is because he hasn't seen you in a while and he's a young child. And so I'm
Understandable.
just giving him time to get used to you again, okay?
Understandable.
That's it. No other reason,
All right, that's fine.
okay? All right.
Thank you very much.
Anything
And
further, Miss Peoples?
just a question for clarification. So, Judge, on the first 5 visits, is it a certain time frame, or is it just going to be the first, third, and
8
fifth?
hours each Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
Like you can do 8 to 5, Saturday
Okay.
and Sunday for the first 5 visits, and then it goes to standard.
Okay, Judge.
Uh
Yes, sir.
yes, where can I pick him up at? I don't want to be specifically pick him up at her house because her mother is always talking some kind of nonsense, and I don't want to have no problems while I'm on probation, and I don't want her to like get me in trouble. Then I lose whatever
Okay,
I
so
have going on.
I'm gonna tell you we can do an exchange location, but if they don't show up with the child, what you gonna do, Mr. Garcia?
I guess what can I do?
Not a lot. You can file a case against them, but I would tell you just go to the house, pick your child up. They just need to hand you the child, and you need to go on about your business. You don't even need to go in. You can stand on the front porch. They just need to give Noah to you with his bag. That's it.
All right, and
Doesn't
do
need to
I?
be a lot of conversation. Hello,
Okay,
how are you? Thank you. I'll have him back when I'm supposed to have him back. That's it.
that's fine with me.
Okay. Miss Sanchez, do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Okay, and it should not be between him and your mother or him and anybody. You should give him the child with the child's bag and go on. Okay?
I got
Okay.
one more question.
Yes, sir.
How would I know what he like as in food and all that? What would I have to like?
So that's where parenting comes in. You guys have to talk to each other about those kinds of things. When I said no discussion, I meant no discussion of erroneous stuff. But you guys must talk to each other about parenting, what he's
I've tried.
eating now, how, what should I feed him? If she doesn't want to give you the food, then ask her what you should buy.
I've tried talking to her. She's never communicated with me. I'm asking for my son here and there,
Mr.
and nothing.
Garcia, I can't make people be adults. I can only give you a framework in which to work with. And that's what this order is. I can't tell you everything to do.
Understandable.
Okay. Anything further?
So what would I be paying every month?
$847.
$847.
Yes.
That's including insurance.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Anything
Is there
further?
is there any way I can lower it?
So I did lower it when I lowered the insurance amount.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Anything else? All right, then good luck to both of you. Thank you for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.
That wasn't directed at both parents equally, and everyone watching knows it. Allegations don't erase choices. Having a child with someone means 18 years of co-parenting, not selective involvement. The judge made a smart call easing visitation to protect the child while preserving the father's role. That's balance. That's law. And that's exactly how family court is supposed to work. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time on Rebel Chaser.